Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome browser. If Cloudflare-related pages, checks, or stored site data keep appearing in Chrome, a simple way to clear that out is to remove the browser data that may be connected to it. In this walkthrough, we'll use Chrome's built-in browsing data tools to do that. This process is quick and easy, but keep in mind that clearing browsing data may also sign you out of some websites and remove cached files, so it's a good idea to save anything important before you begin. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Once the browser is on screen and ready, look to the top right corner. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and tools. Go ahead and click that three-dot icon to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Delete Browsing Data and select it. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window, where Chrome lets you choose how much stored information you want to remove. If your goal is to fully clear out any saved Cloudflare-related cache, cookies, or session data, you'll want to make sure you remove data from the broadest possible time range. In the Time Range section, click on All Time. Choosing All Time tells Chrome to clear data from your entire browsing history rather than just the last hour, day, or week. This is important because if the data connected to Cloudflare was saved earlier, a shorter time range might not remove it completely. After selecting All Time, review the window briefly and then click Delete Data. Chrome will begin clearing the stored browsing information. Depending on how much data has built up in your browser, this may take a few moments. It's normal for the browser to pause briefly while the cleanup finishes. Once the process is complete, Chrome should have removed the cached files, cookies, and related browsing data that may have been causing the Cloudflare issue to persist. At that point, you can return to the site you were trying to access and check whether the problem has been resolved. If needed, you can close and reopen Chrome after the data is cleared to make sure the browser starts fresh. And that's it. You've successfully removed Cloudflare-related browsing data from Chrome using the browser's Delete Browsing Data feature.